Let's make chocolate popcorn using our normal manual machine. Yes, in making chocolate popcorn, we are going to make use of groundnut oil as usual. Then we'll make use of sugar. Then we'll make use of our corn. Yes. Then we'll make use of milk flavor and then the chocolate. Use the chocolate. That's it. So let's go. As usual now, you on your gas. So this is my measuring cup. This is 1 cup. They wrote it 1 cup. So you can go and get this measuring cup. Look at them here. I have it here. This one for measuring corn. This one for measuring. This is 1 cup. This is half cup for measuring oil. And I also have this one. This is 1/3 for measuring sugar. Okay. So we are going to measure half cup of oil. Add half cup of oil. So I'm going to add half cup, half of this half of half again. I've added half oil, half cup of oil. So I'm going to add half of this cup again. So I will not full it, just half of it, because I want to pop 2 cups. So if you are popping 2 cups, 2 cups of this measuring cup here. If you are popping 2 cups, then you are going to measure out half cup, half cup. You use the one they wrote half cup. If you full this half cup, then you add another one. Don't full the half. Don't full it. This particular one, don't full it. Just add the half of it, because I'm popping 2 cups. So as you have added the oil, allow the oil to heat very well before you add your corn. So while you are allowing the oil to hot, then you measure out your corn. Remember I said you are going to pop 2 cups right now. This is 1 cup. Then you measure out another 1 cup. Remember to shifter it because of dust. Shifter. By doing this, you are allowing your oil to heat very well before you will now pour the corn. Yes, as you can see, the oil have heat. Look at the smoke, it's coming out already. Then you pour your corn. Then you add your sugar immediately. Remember, once the oil hot, you will now start adding everything quickly. So we are popping 2 cups of corn. Then I'm using 1/3 cup of sugar. If you want to make it more sugary, you add another half. You want to make it sweet. If you have spoon, you can use spoon and just stir it and continue adding what you are adding. So we are going to add chocolate. This is 1 spoon, 1 tablespoon. Look at where they wrote it. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of chocolate. Full it very well. If you are popping 2 cups, you full it very well. So if you want it to be more darker, you can add 2 tablespoons for the 2 cups. So I'm adding 2 now because I'm popping 2 cups. If you are popping 1 cup, you add 1 spoon. Yes. Then you add your flavor. Then cover it and start stirring it. Then based on these measurements, using this measuring cup, I will still do another thing. I will explain to you how you are going to make use of the measuring cup, the quantity you will measure, the quantity you will add, quantity of sugar, quantity of corn, and all that. So now, allow it to start popping. I hope you can hear the sound. Once it's still shouting, pada, 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 you keep on stirring. You keep on stirring it. Concentrate more on turning it, stirring it, so that it won't get burnt. Yes. You keep on stirring it. You are still hearing the sound. And you are still hearing the sound, very active. So you keep on stirring it until you stop hearing that sound. Until you start hearing it small. When you start hearing it small, you can now bring it down. When the sound reduces, now the sound have reduced, so you off your gas and turn it over to the bowl where you mix it. So this is our chocolate. Remember, immediately you turn it over, you add your milk ASAP. And then you mix it together. Make sure you mix the milk together. If you don't mix it while it is still hot, the milk will go under and settle. But immediately you pour it, you add your milk. Then when you are mixing it together, the milk will stick to its body, to stick to the popcorn. But when it gets cold before you add the milk will just go under and settle. Look at it. All the milk have stick on the body. Look at it, there is no milk under. All of them have stick to the popcorn. Yes. But assuming it's cold now, all the milk, once you pour milk, all of them will go under and settle. So this is how to make the chocolate popcorn. Then the popcorn is done and is ready to be packaged. That's it. Right.